Hey Aries, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. See what's going on with Aries. Alright guys, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, you have the Eight of Pentacles. So this is telling me that I feel like somebody's ready to put in the hard work. It could be a situation to where you guys are throwing yourselves into work. You're just focusing on your finances right now. But somebody's definitely up late at night. They're worried. They're frustrated in their head a lot. Okay, somebody's back and forth here. Okay, I feel like this is the person returning. Or whoever messed up. Y'all, take it vice versa. Y'all, let me just say that now. I'm probably going to say it again soon. It'll fit either your situation or the other person's situation, so just take it. Alright, anyway. So, whoever I feel like messed up in the past, maybe they didn't communicate, they could have cheated, just it's something that they have done. They're in their head at this point because they want to come back to give you an offer. And the reason why they're upset or they're in their head is because they feel like if they come back to give you this offer, you're going to reject it. So now, for this group that is resonating for so far, this is definitely someone that you dealt with in the past. Someone that you know. They're coming back. Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want a new beginning with you. But someone's definitely sad here. Maybe someone is upset because they took some type of financial loss. If not, someone's just definitely in their feelings right now. Clarify the Five of Cups for Aries, please. Yeah, they want happiness with you. You want happiness with them. Somebody wants happiness here. They see a happy home life, but right now they're not content with you. Something happened. Maybe they're not content with their finances. Let's see. Tell me about the Ten of Pentacles. Y'all see I got 2 tens, right? I had a personal reading yesterday. Somebody had 3 tens in a row, and I never had that. I was like, oh. So anyway, but yeah, somebody is basically not happy right now due to the fact that maybe their finances are not in order, so they walked away from you in the past, or somebody is just not happy and they're walking away. So let's see. But I do feel like somebody wants to come back to balance out the situation. They want to come back to give you this equal partnership. They're ready to put in their fair share of the work because they know that all it is that you want, need, and deserve is someone who puts in the same amount of work as you. And so they're ready to come back and balance it out. I do feel like somebody's coming out of their head. Like at one point, somebody was definitely like overthinking, trying to figure out what to do because they were thinking about, constantly thinking about this person from the past. Thinking about things that took place in the past. Tell me more. Somebody could have been dealing with a Leo here, but if not, it's asking you to have strength. Tell me more. Because right now, you feel like you're not going to have a victory. Tell me more for Aries, please. Okay, y'all just got something just falling on the floor. Alright, so the Magician in reverse. Okay, this is telling me that somebody is basically not feeling positive that things, will move forward. They're not going to have a victory here. Yeah, somebody could be... Why? Oh, God. Come on, Mercury. Come on, not today. Y'all, I'm getting choked up. I feel like I'm getting tongue-tied. Like, Lord. Okay, anyway. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius here. But again, somebody feels like there's no balance in the situation. Y'all have cards flying. What is happening? Y'all energy today, okay? Oh, okay. So, somebody feels like there's no balance in the situation due to the fact that there was a third-party situation that took place. You guys are looking at this person like they're sneaky. Whoever was the one that messed up, you're like, you put me in this third-party situation. You probably snuck off to be with this person, left me out in the cold, and that's why you walked away. You don't trust it. You're disappointed. Maybe they want to come and tell you that they're out of that situation here and they want to be with you. So, let's see. Yeah, the truth is definitely coming out here. Clarify the Tower in reverse for Aries, please. Okay, somebody could be dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra here. But I do feel like you guys are coming off really cold and harsh with your words at this point, because you're like, no, I don't like what I'm seeing. At the end of the day, you have way too many options, and you had other options when it should have just been, you know, just you and I. So, But at the end of the day, your hand is still extended, Aries. Somebody is like willing to hear this person out. But at the end of the day, you're not taking a leap towards this person. Like, you're not jumping anymore. Because I feel like you guys have done that in the past. And this person repeatedly stabbed you in the back. Somebody's frustrated here. They're not speaking up. They're holding back what it is that they really want to say. Tell me more, please. Yeah. Somebody is definitely in their feelings. Somebody is really sad. They're very emotional. And again, they're holding back their emotions. They're not speaking up. Somebody's dealing with a water sign here, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But with the Ace of Swords, that is telling me that communication is coming in. Yeah, but it's back and forth energy. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I do feel like this person wants to come in to give you the commitment that you deserve. But they're having a hard time giving you this commitment. Clarify the King of Pentacles, please. What's going on with the King of Pentacles? Yeah, because somebody was dealing or in some type of codependent situation. And so honestly, with the King of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles reversed here, somebody could be having a hard time, pertaining to their finances. So maybe they want to approach you, but they can't because their finances are not in order. Or they could have just had some type of addiction taking place. And it could be anything. Finances, sex, drugs, alcohol. It could be anything. So there's another pentacle. I mean, this honestly could just be about money. Somebody doesn't have a peace of mind, possibly about their finances. Take it however it fits for you guys. But with Judgment in reverse, there's a decision that was made. Clarify Judgment in reverse, please. Somebody made a decision. They don't want to look back at the past. Tell me more. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Knight of Pentacles, the way it kind of just laid. So, either which way, this person moves slow. And Aries, you're over it. You're looking at this person like, make a decision already. Like, do you want to be with me? Do you not? You know, if you're going to do this, let's do it. Let's not play games, because I feel like you guys have been playing this little waiting patient game for like a while, you know. And at this point, this person is still moving slow. And it could be the fact that maybe they're moving slow because they don't know how to approach you. And so they're trying to just have all their ducks lined up before they come in, telling you their truth about what it is that they really want. But at the same time, they're just holding back. They're nervous. They do want to talk to you. Somebody's not using their intuition here. Tell me more. Yeah, because you guys are feeling like you're not going to have a new beginning. But look at that. Something is coming in really fast. Tell me more about the Knight of Swords. What's coming in fast? Oh, Lord. Okay. All right, y'all. See, I see why y'all irritated. They're getting on my nerves now, okay? So, it's like they want to rush in to talk to you, to give you this truth. But at the same time, they're holding back again. So it's like, I'm coming, I'm not. I'm coming, I'm not. You know, that's why y'all walked away. Lord, I'm getting a headache. Okay, I got it, Aries. Whoever this is resonating for, I got you. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus here. But if not, I feel like you guys are just looking at it like, you know what? I'm just realizing I'm not going to have a commitment with this person. This person is playing games. Or maybe this person is trying to get out of some type of commitment. Let's see. Clarify the Hierophant. I feel like, yeah, they were trying to clean up some type of obstacle that they were in. But I feel like they got out of a situation here. They're coming out of being frustrated about something. Maybe it's you. Yeah, they're ready to turn things around. They don't want to argue anymore. They're ready to come out of this conflict, but they still feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity due to the third party situation. They know they broke your heart. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign here. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could be a Virgo. But I do feel like You guys are just trying to stay positive. You could be getting advice from other people trying to figure out what to do. But it is asking for you to take a step back to, you know, just kind of look over everything, the situation before you make this final decision. Because there was a lesson that you were supposed to learn. The moon is here. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. But the way that it came out, it's kind of like, I feel like you guys are scared. There's a lot of fear here. But at the end of the day, you're definitely trying to use your intuition. That's why the Hermit is here. They want you to think. Use your intuition before you make a decision. But regardless, the truth is coming out. This person, you know, things that you didn't know, secrets that were hidden, or maybe you had an inkling about something, but you didn't get a full story. I feel like they want to come towards you and tell you the truth. Could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Maybe they want to tell you that they had to walk away from a toxic situation in order to be with you. Or it could just be you walking away from this toxic situation. Clarify the Devil in reverse, please. Yeah, I feel like somebody walked away from somebody or a situation that was very toxic due to the fact that you guys feel like there's no security. You feel like you were the one carrying the weight. You did everything in this relationship, in the marriage, you know, however it pertains to you. But this person wants to come back because the seeds that were planted, they do want it to grow. They want to manifest something here. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I definitely do feel like somebody is just at this point focused on them, focused on their finances. You guys are trying to possibly heal from the hurt that this person put you through. And you're coming out of being frustrated about it. It's like you guys are walking away, you're letting it go. Somebody's made a decision here, Aries, and I feel like whoever messed up, they're coming in. They made a decision that they want to give you an offer here. They want to offer or give you guys the opportunity to say yes to their offer because they want to start over with you. They want to build something with you. I could have sworn I had those two cards side by side in Capricorn's reading, so maybe somebody's dealing with a Capricorn. But yeah, somebody wants to start over. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. But you guys are looking at the situation like, you know what, there's no balance here. There's no balance in our love life. Like, I don't know if I really want to jump back into this. Because it's like, you know what, at one point, you guys saw that this person made you really happy. You saw a future with them. But at this point, you're like, what I want, I feel like I'm not going to get. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here. But I do feel like you guys are trying to find out the truth about a situation. So maybe that's why you're willing to hear them out when they do approach you if they haven't already. Maybe somebody's stuck in some type of legal obligation. But yeah, the truth is just coming out. You guys are trying to find the truth. I do feel like you guys are having a hard time because you have not received the answer that you're looking for from this individual. But they're coming in fast. They're coming in fast to communicate with you. I do feel like they want to tell you the truth about everything because they're serious about wanting to start over with you. Yeah, somebody's definitely made a decision.